What is happening to jungles today? Jungles, tropical rainforests, are disappearing at an alarming rate. Every year, millions of hectares are cleared for logging, cattle ranching, palm oil plantations, and mining. The Amazon alone has lost about 17% of its original forest cover in the last 50 years. Illegal logging and slash-and-burn agriculture are making the problem worse, and experts warn that if deforestation continues at this pace, some rainforests could disappear entirely within our lifetime. Why are jungles important to the world? Jungles are often called the lungs of the earth because they produce a huge share of the world's oxygen and absorb massive amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to slow climate change. They are also home to more than half of the world's plant and animal species, many of which exist nowhere else on Earth. Beyond that, jungles regulate rainfall patterns across entire continents, and countless medicines are derived from rainforest plants. Millions of indigenous people also depend on jungles for their homes, food, and culture. What will happen if we don't protect them? If deforestation continues unchecked, we could see irreversible consequences. Mass extinction of species, disrupted weather patterns leading to droughts and floods, and a dramatic increase in greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere. Scientists warn that some rainforests are approaching a tipping point, a point where they can no longer sustain themselves and start turning into dry savanna. This would accelerate global warming and threaten food and water security for billions of people. What can people do to help? Everyone can play a part. On an individual level, people can reduce their consumption of products linked to deforestation, such as palm oil and beef. Support companies with sustainable practices and donate to organizations that protect rainforests. On a larger scale, people can pressure governments to enforce stricter environmental laws, support reforestation projects, and raise awareness through social media and community events. Every action, big or small, adds up to real change.